weird one. Good.
What red one?
Weird wagon. Weird wagon.
So you're so delighted you were here, babe.
Yeah, but there's also a weird wagon.
And do you know what's going to happen in a minute? Shall I tell you?
Huh? Yeah?
In about 5 minutes, the diesel's going to come past on the other track. We can go on the diesel later.
Yeah.
2 steam, 2 diesel.
Yeah. And also, Manchester Railway. Don't forget the Manchester Railway.
What?
Don't forget the Manchester Railway.
How did you hear? Did you know?
Have you been listening into a conversation?
Yeah.
Right, what happens is then, Alex, when we get to the next station,
Yeah.
we're not going to get off, we'll come back and get off. If it's running, we'll see it running. So you can have a look and say, there it is, and it's either going to be open or closed, but the man thinks it will be open.
Okay, don't cry if it's not
If we just do more steam, if it is.
Yeah.
Because you're a big boy, no crying, babe, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. So Alex, how much happier you are today?
100.
100 times, yeah.
Is it thumbs up for mummy?
I think to daddy is a thumbs up.
Sideways?
You hear that sound?
Yeah. I think there's 2 engines.
And the smoking.
Huh?
The smoke, look.
But I can't see the steam engine.
Yeah.
No, there's no corners, so you can't see it as you go round the corner. But when we get off, we'll go and have a look at it.
Yeah.
Because I think we've got 20 minutes at the end.
Yeah. I can see people waving at you.
Where?
There.
Oh, there they are. Way back, yes. It's a bit muddy, but look, there's people. That'll be a place to go sometime. We could walk in the woods and see a steam train go past.
Did you walk this before?
No, not this. It's in the middle of
I remember when we were walking and then Kelly was so tired.
That wasn't the one at Rudyard with the big lake, was it?
Yeah, with the big leg probably.
Yeah, that was like a
And we
really...
were like going up there and then there was like a log being cut or something.
Yes, yeah, that was Rudyard Lake. That was a very small little train and it only just went up and back, didn't it? And then we walked across the